October through March or November through April.
Okay.
This has garage door opener, so you can drive your car in here.
Okay.
If you happen to have one. This is a really nice house. It has a little bit bigger pool. It is solar heated. But in the winter, pools aren't used that much because it's warm, but it doesn't. It gives you the first blast of hot water, but it doesn't rejuvenate it fast enough.
Right.
So, in the middle of October till about the middle of February, they don't get much above 80. For which for us now, because we're acclimated, is too cold.
Yeah.
But for others in new time, that may be fine.
Right.
So you got your kitchen. This one has an office.
Okay, a little smaller kitchen. Okay, have a nice office here.
Slash laundry room.
Yeah. I can do laundry while I work. That'd be good.
Dining room, living room. This room, I don't know, it's just here. I don't think anybody really uses it. Because the TV and stuff's in there.
Right.
2 bedrooms are back here. Second bathroom, or bedroom, and it has a bath in it.
Okay. And how much is this one?
$1,200.
$1,200.
This one is the master bedroom, and this is the bath for it.
Okay. Oh wow, it's a whole extra space there. I was expecting. Okay.
Go outside.
I love all the windows here.
Pardon me?
I love all the windows here.
Yeah, it is really nice and nice.
Take pets in either one of these?
Yes.
Okay.
And furniture in the laundry room for out here.
Okay.
It just, we're not using it, put it away.
Right.
Especially in rainy season. Gardener will come with this one.
Okay.
Everything else is yours. This has Solar Choice or Shaw, which is a Canadian satellite,
Oh right. Okay.
but it also has American channels.
Okay.
So you get the best kind of no problem. We can satisfy Canadians, we can satisfy the Americans at the
Right.
same time.
Okay. All right. This looks awesome.
And we can walk around this way. It goes through around.
And sorry, the name of this one?
This one is called the Smith House.
The Smith House.
It also has its video on it.
Right.
You got a full-size water heater, which is unusual, so you don't run out of water that way. This one has water filtration, so the water's good. The other one does also, I forgot to mention it, but they both have filtration and the UV light, so that pretty well takes care of the water for
What's the UV light do?
anything that comes through, doesn't get through the filter or gets through anything with really small bacteria, the UV light kills the bacteria. So this takes the crap and corruption out of it, which isn't much, but I mean, it filters the stuff.
Right.
And this gets into the bacteria area.
And sorry, the internet access, is that through?
It's in the,
through the
office laundry room.
And in the other place as well?
Yeah,
Is there?
as well, yeah.
Is it